Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eats, where I show you super quick videos about how to make your favorite foods. Today we're going to be making Afghan style chickpeas. It's a great dish and it's super healthy. Let's get started. So first let's add a 1/4 cup of oil to a hot pan and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I added in minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of ginger and then stirred around and let it sizzle. Then I'm going to add in some onion and a bunch of spices. Now let's grate 3 tomatoes. Now we can add pre-cooked or canned chickpeas and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Now let's add in a 1/2 cup of water and stir it up. And that's it, your Afghan chickpeas are ready. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for the next video on 1 Minute Eats.